Okay, topic is stack. Stack can be implemented in two ways, that is by using array concept, and next one is by using the linked list concept. First of all, what is meant by stack? Stack is nothing but a order collection of element, that is linear data structure. First of all, in the linear data structure and non-linear data structure, what are the topics that covers under this linear data structure is nothing but array, stack, queue, and linked list comes under this linear data structure. Next, non-linear data structure is nothing but trees and graphs that comes under this non-linear data structure. First, what is the definition of stack is nothing but you can see here. Insertion of elements and deletion of elements that can perform at the same end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. The diagrammatic representation of stack is nothing but this is the diagrammatic representation, that is array index always start with 0, that is nothing but you can see here. Last index, that is A stored is nothing but 0 index, next one is nothing but B is nothing but the second index, next one C is nothing but third index, D is nothing but 4 index, next one E is nothing but 5th index, next F is nothing but 6th index. That is array can be stored in the continuous format, that is index start with 0, next one we can store in the continuous format. Next one insertion, here you can see here the diagrammatic representation. Insert is nothing but the operation that is performing, that is nothing but push operation is nothing but insert. Next one delete, delete operation is nothing but pop, that is pop under this stack implementation. You can see here what is meant by stack is nothing but order collection of data, that is data can be inserted and deleted at same end. Same end is nothing but you can see here, that is top of the stack, that is insertion of elements at the will be inserted at the same end. Next one deletion of elements will be performed in the same end, that is nothing but the top of the stack, that is nothing but a stack diagram. That is stack is implemented in the linear data structure. How it you can see here, that is the elements in a stack can be inserted and deleted at one end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. It follows the principle of LIFO. LIFO is nothing but last in first out principle, that is stack can be followed the principle of LIFO. LIFO is nothing but last in first out. Which element is inserted at the last, that element will be deleted, that is nothing but the stack of the stack, the top of the stack. Next one, the operation that we can perform on stack is nothing but push and pop operation we can perform in the stack. Next one, stack can be also known as push down list, that is nothing but a stack. First point is nothing but a order collection of elements, that is insertion and deletion yet be performed at the same end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. It is a linear data structure, that is linear data structure comes under this array, linked list, queue, all that covers under array covers under this linear data structure. Next one you can see here the element that is inserted and deleted will be performed at top of the stack. It follows the principle of LIFO. LIFO is nothing but last in first out principle, that is LIFO. Two operations that can perform in stack is nothing but push and pop are the two operations that can be performed on the stack. Next one is nothing but it is also called as push down list. Next one, what is the operation of push is nothing but you can see here. To insert an element into the stack, when we try to insert element into the stack, that is nothing but a push operation. Push operation is nothing but insertion of element is nothing but a push. Insertion you can see here. Another example is nothing but already we are having that this stack is filled with complete element. Then if you want to insert another element, then it arises a error, that is nothing but a overflow condition it will be generated. You can see here push is nothing but to insert an element into the stack. When we try to insert element into the stack, if there is no space in the stack, then it arises a error, that is nothing but a overflow condition will be arises, that is nothing but stack is full is the message it will be displayed. That is to insert an element is nothing but a push. Pop is nothing but to delete an element. To delete an element is nothing but a pop. Here you can see here to delete an element from the stack. When we try to delete items from the stack, if there is no item in the stack, then it is nothing but you can see here it arises the condition, it is nothing but a underflow condition. Underflow condition when it will be arised is nothing but we have not inserted even single element, but we have to delete element from the stack. Then it arises the condition that is nothing but a underflow condition. Underflow condition is nothing but, you can see here, we have not inserted even single element into the stack, but we have to delete the element from the stack. Then it arises the error that is nothing but a underflow condition. The real time example of stack is nothing but, you can see here, pile of plates. Pile of plates is nothing but placing plates one above the other is nothing but a pile of plates. Next one is nothing but a coin stacker. Coin stacker is nothing but, in a carom board we are placing the coin, that is coins one above the other, that is nothing but a coin stacker is nothing but that is the second example of real time implementation of a stack, that is pile of plates. First we are placing plates one above the other is nothing but pile of plates. Coin stacker is nothing but carom board we are placing the coins one above the other is nothing but, this is the diagrammatic representation of stack, that is we are inserting the element that is nothing but from one side, and we are performing the deletion of element, that is pop operation. We are deleting the element at the same end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. That is the meaning of the diagrammatic representation of a stack. Next one you can see here, stack can be implemented in two ways by using, first one is nothing but array implementation. Array implementation is nothing but a static implementation. Next one is nothing but, you can see here, dynamic implementation, that is linked list representation. The operation that we can perform on the stack is nothing but push is the one operation. Next one, this is the algorithm for the push operation. Next one is nothing but pop operation. Pop operation is nothing but to delete an element from the stack is nothing but a pop operation. Next one you can see here, how we can implement stack using array. Stack using array is nothing but a stack data structure can be implemented, that is implemented in single dimensional array. Single element dimensional array is nothing but we are using subscript operator of 1, that is nothing but a single dimensional array. The definition of a stack using array you can see here, a stack data structure can be implemented using a one dimensional array, but stack implemented using array stores only a fixed number of variables. Next one is nothing but it is very simple. Next one, the insertion of elements and deletion of elements will be performed in the same end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. Next one is nothing but LIFO principle is nothing but last in first out principle. Next one, when we are inserting the element, then the top value will be increased. Next one is nothing but initially the top element will be placed with -1 value. Next -1 value, if we insert one element, it will be incremented +1 value, that is nothing but a stack using array. Next one you can see here, the operations using stack is nothing but, first we have to declare the program for the stack using array is nothing but, first one, step 1 is nothing but we have to declare the header file. Next one is nothing but we have to allocate the size of the array. Next one is nothing but the functions, that is nothing but push operation and pop operation. Next one, initialization of top value will be performed. Next one, the size of the stack will be used. Next one you can see here, push operation is nothing but to insert an element into the stack is nothing but push operation. Initially the step, that is push operation is nothing but top will be pointing to, that is size -1. Size -1 is nothing but if you are having the size of 5, next 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4 element, that is array index always start with 0, that's why the value that is completely filled with the element, then it arises the error is nothing but stack is full is the message it will be generated. Next one you can see here, top equal to -1, we have not inserted any element, then it will be generating the error, that is nothing but underflow condition. Next one is nothing but we have to display the elements is nothing but we have to perform the display operation. Next one, the program implementation of stack using array is nothing but, first of all we have to declare the header file, that is nothing but hash include stdio.h, that is to execute printf and scanf statements in a program. Next one, conio.h header file is used to execute, that is getch statement. Next one, we are declaring the size of the array, that is default size of the array is nothing but you can see here 10 we are assigning. Next one, the functions we can perform in the stack is nothing but push operation. Next one, pop operation we can perform, display operation. You can see here, push is nothing but to insert an element, that is nothing but push operation. Pop operation is nothing but to delete an element, that's why we are using pop operation. to display element of the stack, that is nothing but display operation. Next one, here you can see here the size we are declaring the size of the stack, that is nothing but stack of size is nothing but size of the stack is nothing but already we have declared, that is hash defined size 10. The size of the stack is nothing but 10. Next, initially we are assigning the top value, that is nothing but -1. Next one, what are the operations we can perform on the stack is nothing but first one is nothing but push operation, second one is nothing but pop operation, third one is nothing but display operation, fourth one is nothing but exit operation. Here we are passing the choice, that is one is nothing but it will execute push operation, two is nothing but pop operation, it will be displayed, third one is nothing but display operation, fourth will be it will be exit from the program, that is nothing but exit that is come out of the stack, that is nothing but exit will be performed. Next one you can see here, first one case one is nothing but push operation. Push operation is nothing but we have to insert an element, that is key, with the help of a keyboard we are passing the value, that is push of value is nothing but which value we have inserted, that will be inserted in the stack. Next one, pop is nothing but we have not passing any argument. Why? Because we are deleting the element, that's why you are performing pop operation. Next one, display. Display is nothing but to display the element into the stack is nothing but display. Fourth one is nothing but exit from the program. Next one, if you press 1 2 3 4 other than that, then it will generate the error as wrong selection, try again is the error, it will be generated. Next one, how to perform push operation is nothing but you can see here, top equal to size -1. Size -1 is equal to completely it has been filled with elements, then it will generate the error message as stack is full, insertion is not possible is the message. Next one, initially top will be at -1, then if you perform top plus plus -1, it will be incremented to 0 value. Next, what value we have passed with the keyboard, that will be stored at stack of, that is 0 position, that is stack of top is nothing but stack of 0 position. The value the value which one we are passing with the help of keyboard, that will be saved at the 0 position, then insert, that is insertion success is the message, it will be generated. Here you can see here top equal to size -1. If condition will be executed when we have inserted the stack with complete element, that is nothing but insertion is not possible, a stack is full is the message, it will be generated. Next one, else part you can see here, top plus plus is nothing but -1 value will be increased to 0. Next one, stack of 0 position, which value we are passing with the help of keyboard, that will be stored, that is the insertion success is the message. Next one, if you pass the push operation, 0 position to top element, that will be incremented to 1 position, and which value we have passed with the keyboard, that will be stored at the 1 position. Like this the push operation will be performed. Pop you can see here, if top equal to -1, that is we have not inserted any message, elements, then it will generate the error as, that is stack is empty or deletion is not possible is the message, it will be generated. Next one, else part is nothing but you can see here, we want to delete, that is which is at the top position, stack of top position will be deleted. Next one, the top position will be decremented -1, that is top minus minus, that is the procedure of working the pop operation. Next one, -1 is nothing but which position the element is pointing, that will be deleted, and the top value will be decreased to -1 position. Next one, you can see here display operation is nothing but -1. -1 is nothing but we have not inserted any element, then stack is empty is the message, it will be generated. Next one, I value is nothing but you can see here, I value will be at 0 position from 0 to, or next one is nothing but from top position to, the value will be decremented up to 0 position. Here you can see here the loop position is nothing but for loop position is nothing but the element which is positioning at the top, that will be at I position. Next one, the condition will be checked. Next one, I value will be incremented, that is 5 will be decremented to 4, 4 will be decremented to 3, 3 will be decremented to 2, 2 will be decremented to 1. Like this the output will be displayed, that is top position will be decremented and it will be displaying the output. That is the procedure of stack using array concept.